Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a simple milk pump tutorial for beginners who want to make pumping easier and more comfortable. Before starting, always wash your hands properly and make sure all pump parts are clean and assembled correctly. Keeping everything clean is very important for safe milk collection. Next, choose a calm and comfortable place where you can relax for a few minutes. Sitting comfortably with good back support often makes the session feel smoother. Before using the pump, some mothers gently massage the area for a short time. This may help support smoother flow during pumping. Now place the pump correctly and begin slowly. If you are using an electric pump, start with a gentle suction level. If you are using a manual pump, use slow and steady movements. In the beginning, the flow may take a few minutes to start, and that is completely normal. Staying relaxed and patient can help your body respond naturally. During the session, try to maintain a comfortable rhythm instead of rushing. If something feels uncomfortable, make small adjustments to the position or settings. After finishing, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and store it properly if needed. Cleaning all pump parts after every use is another important step. Wash them properly, allow them to dry completely, and keep them in a clean place. With practice, patience, and a simple routine, using a milk pump becomes much easier and more comfortable over time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.